Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so pumped to do this video for you because I'm going to be trying out the Tarte and Whitney Simmons collaboration with her new palette. And this is a great palette for on the go. You get 6 eyeshadow colors and then you also get a blush and a highlight, and this can also be used as your brow highlight or inner corner highlight. It's just such a good universal palette, and it also comes with a big mirror that you saw on the inside, and it comes with the mascara and the lipstick of hers, and it's just such a good on-the-go combo. Like literally you could travel with just these 3 things and you will be good to go. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to go in with is this Cut color, and this is just a matte peachy kind of nude color. All the colors on the top are matte, so we have one that's more peachy, like pink, and then the middle one is more of a deeper brown, and then this is more of like an orangey brown. So I'm really excited to play with this. And then the bottom, the color Trainer, looks so pretty. I already know I'm going to want to focus on that one, and that's just like a really sparkly, like kind of a deep pink color. And then Cardio is more of a sparkly pink, and then the deeper one is also a matte, and that's called Reps, and that's like a matte dark brown. And then there also comes with a highlighter in the color Flex, and then Sweat is the blush, and that's like a matte pink. And I like that the blush is matte. I feel like I usually go towards matte blushes. I don't know why, I just find myself doing that more. So I'm gonna go in with the color Cut first, but there's kind of a lot of fallout from dipping my brush in. So gonna go in with a little bit of a lighter hand. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. It's definitely very light, but I don't mind that. You can tell a difference already, but it kind of just gives a nice base coat. It's a little bit more orangey than I thought it would be on the eyelid, but it looks really pretty as just a matte base. I'm really focusing that color more on the crease and then blending it out once I get around the eye a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go in with that Snatched color, the second matte color in, and I'm gonna pretty much put that, whoa. Okay, we had a lot of fallout there when I dipped my brush into there. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on the outer part of my eye and then start to kind of brush it up towards the crease. I'm really just using windshield wiper motions once I get it up onto the crease, and then I'm blending it out. So there is a lot of kickback with this, but it's not giving me fallout, which is really nice. Like, it's not falling all over my face. I do have my complexion done, so I already have foundation, bronzer, concealer, and my brows finished. For bronzer, I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I mixed the color 228 and 128 because I'm really tan right now, but I'm starting to lose that tan a little bit. But I mixed those two. Maybelline Fit Me is definitely my favorite drugstore foundation at the moment, and it pretty much has been for a long time. I really like a lot, I don't know if you can tell, but the way that these two colors, the Cut and Snatched, blended together is really pretty. Oh, and this is a Morphe M441 brush. This is like my go-to blending brush. The Reps color, and that's the deepest matte shade in the palette. Gonna go in a little bit with that and kind of pat it into the sides. Woo! Definitely lots of kickback. Okay, I mean, that's pretty though. I'm thoroughly impressed with the pigment and how it's not giving me fallout for all the kickback that I'm getting in the pan. I am surprised it's not getting all over my face. And I'm just focusing that darker shade right on the outer part of my eye. I'm pretty much pressing it. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of fallout here, but it's not too bad. I'm just gonna try and press that into the eye a little bit more. I'm really liking the way that these colors are blending together. I'm gonna go in with Trainer, and this is what I'm really excited for. So that's this pink color here. And I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M224 brush. And then I'm going to spray it with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. This just makes the color more pigmented, and because it's a shimmery color, it always makes it stick better to the lid. Oh my gosh. Dang, you see that? Oh my. Oh, that's so pretty. It looks more coppery on the eye than it does in the pan. In the pan, it looks more pink. And it's definitely on the eye looking like a copper color, but it's so pretty. Oh my god, I feel like this needs to be called copper because it's exactly that. I am kind of cutting out the crease with this a little bit. So I'm going from the inner corner, and I'm only going to about the middle of my eyelid with this. There's a little bit of that cardio color, and that's the pink one that's right next to Trainer. And I'm gonna kind of place that right on top of where I didn't put the Trainer color. And I'm gonna see how well they layer together. Okay, so I'm using it to really blend the colors together, and it does look good. As you can see, I have a lot of fallout, but that's kind of expected when you have a shimmery color like this. But I like that the two blend well together, even though one's more orangey and one's more pink. I do think they look really pretty layered together. Oh my gosh, I love this. For that snatch color, I just want to kind of blend the colors together a little bit more. I was doing a little bit of that cut crease, but I don't know. I just want it to look a little bit more smooth. With a MAC 212 brush, this is just a flat brush, I'm going to get that Reps color, and this was the darkest matte brown. And I'm going to put that close to the lower lash line. With this, I'm only going halfway. I'm going right to the middle of my eye. With a pencil brush, this is the Mikasa Beauty E310. Any kind of blending brush will really work. And then I'm going in with that snatch color again, the more pink one. And I'm really just blending in that brown and kind of smoking it out. Same brush, going in with Cut. That's the lightest one. And kind of just focusing that more on that inner corner and blending that with the rest of them. I want to deepen that outer V so it can blend in with the lower lash line a little bit more. So just adding more of that brown color a little. Only thing that I'm going to add now is some highlight, and using a Morphe M124 brush. Any kind of little tiny brush will do. I'm going to use Flex because it's really the only highlighting shade in the palette. So I'm going to use a little bit of that on the inner corner and then on the brow bone. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this because it doesn't look like there's chunks of glitter. It just has a nice shimmer to it, so I like that. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Sweat, and that is her blush. We're going to try this out. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is such a pretty color. For the highlight, I'm going to use that Flex again. First, I'm going to try it without any Fix Plus, and then if I want it to be a little bit more bold, then I'll add some Fix Plus. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, definitely not going to add any Fix Plus. I don't think that it needs it. I think it looks really gorgeous without it. I'm going to throw on some eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I just went ahead and finished off the look. I did that by using the Man Eater mascara by Tarte, and this does come with the palette. And then I also threw on the Bare Bud lipstick, and this is such a pretty go-to nude. It's like, it kind of looks a little orangey. It smells so good, and it literally is so moisturizing and shimmery. It looks like you just put on a new gloss. So overall, I'm super excited about this palette. I really like it. I love the color scheme. If you have green eyes especially, it's going to look really good on you. But honestly, I think on any complexion, it's really going to look good. So I don't know if it's sold out. I think it is, actually. And I don't know if she's restocking it. So Anne actually got this for me for my birthday, and I was So excited, literally almost cried because I was like, I never buy new makeup for myself anymore. And it's Whitney, so I'm really excited about this. Congratulations, Whitney. It's amazing. I'm so excited for you. And if you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.